Hello students, welcome back to KV Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramesh Maurya, your chemistry teacher. In previous video, we discussed about the chemical equation. In this video, we are going to discuss about the balancing of chemical equation. As we know that in unbalanced reaction, there are not equal number of atoms in reactants and products. But according to the law of conservation of mass, which we have already discussed in class 9, that the mass of the reactants should be equal to the mass of the products. So, to satisfy the law of conservation of mass, we need to balance the chemical equation. In balanced chemical equation, there are equal number of atoms in both reactants and products. So, we need to balance the chemical equation. The method of balancing chemical equation is known as heat and trial method. So, I have taken an equation and I will balance this equation and I will tell you the steps also during the balancing process. So, first of all, we will have to make a box and in balancing process we will not do anything in this box. We will write the coefficient outside of this box. So after this we will have to count the number of atoms in both reactants and product. So for this we will make a table. So here atoms, here reactants, and this side product, or we can write LHS and RHS also. This one right hand side. So here first atom is barium. So in reactant it is 1. So we will write here 1. In product also it is 1. After that chlorine. Here you can see chlorine is 2 and in product it is 3. After that aluminium. Here it is 2 and here it is 1. Now you can see here sulfate ion. So in sulfate ion, here it is sulfur and outside of this bracket there is 3. So sulfur is 3 in reactant. In product it is only 1. And at last oxygen, you can see here oxygen, here it is 4 and this 4 3s are 12. So oxygen is 12 in reactant and product it is 4. So we have written here the number of atoms in reactants and products. Now we will balance the atom which is most in number. Either it is in reactants or it is in product. So here you can see that oxygen has most atoms, 12. So first of all we will balance the oxygen atom. So To balance oxygen atom, multiply BaSO4 by 3. When we will multiply BaSO4 by 3, it will be 4 3s are 12. So now BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 thrice is equal to here AlCl3 plus we are multiplying 3, so 3BaSO4. Now we can make this box. So you can see here 3BaSO4. This 3 is the coefficient of all this. So from here we get 3 barium, 3 sulfur and 3 4 12 oxygen. So in this case oxygen is balanced. So this is partial balance reaction or equation. Partially balanced. Now here it is 3 barium and here it is 1 barium. So we will balance barium. To balance barium atom, multiply BaCl2 by 3, because here it is 3 barium and here it is 1 barium. So 3 BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 thrice is equal to AlCl3 plus 3 BaSO4. Now in this case barium has also become balanced. Here you can see 3 barium, here also 3 barium. So we have balanced barium and oxygen. Now from here we get 3 to 6 chlorine and here it is 3 chlorine. So now we will balance chlorine atom. To balance Cl atom, multiply AlCl3 by 2, because when we will multiply it by 2, this 3 2 will be 6 and here also chlorine is 6. So 3 BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 thrice is equal to 2 AlCl3 plus 3 BaSO4. Now we will check here 3 barium, here also it is 3 barium, 3 to 6 chlorine, here also 3 to 6 chlorine, here Al2 means 2 aluminum, here also 2 Al, so 2 aluminum, and sulfur here it is 3, here sulfur it is 3, and oxygen 4 3 12, and here also it is 4 3 12. So in this case all the atoms in reactant and product side are equal. So this is balanced equal reaction. balance equation. This one is partial balance. And this is balance. So we can write this 3BaCl2 plus Al2 SO4 thrice is equal to 2AlCl3 plus 3BaSO4 balanced. So in last step we have removed our box which we had made, and this one is the balanced chemical equation. In this case there are equal number of atoms in reactants and product, and this equation follow the law of conservation of mass. So by following these steps we can balance the chemical equation. That's all. Thank you.